Hey, what's up? This is James Powell, and I'm going to go over some day trade opportunities that occurred on October 29th, 2018. The market sold off, as you can see here. This is the SPY ETF for the S&P 500. Tried to push up higher and just sold off today. Another one of the worst days. You can look at the daily chart. Just broken. When this uptrend got broken, sorry for all these lines that I'm drawing. Once this uptrend here got broken, it just like completely broke loose. Tried to hold the 200 moving average and just been really just getting hammered. So short plays was definitely the way to go today. But I will go over a long I took that I made some decent profit on, and I'll go over that. I took that long. I think it might have been here actually. So when the market got here and was starting to bounce back up to the VWAP, that's when I got long on Alibaba, and I'll go over that in a minute. Actually, right now, let's go over Alibaba. This is the stock that I traded today, primarily, and I got long right in through here at 135.40. As this broke over the high of this candle, you got 4 rejections here. And the reason why this was significant is because this was the low of the previous push down here. So BABA pushed down to the low down here, bounced, consolidated a little bit, started to break down, and today at this weak market came down to that level again and started to show some support. And this is exactly the same time what I was just showing you when the SPY started to bounce back up to the VWAP again. So I got long through here. I sold half on this push up here. I think it might have been on this candle when it started to show a little weakness. I got out half the position in case this was going to be a lower high, and then I got out as we pushed up towards 137.40. So I think I got out around here. Again, I was worried about a lower high. Ultimate target was the VWAP, but I decided that since the VWAP was already so close, I give up that 50 cents and just took off my full position right here at 137.41 actually, and this hit a high of 48. So I wasn't too mad about that. And the next opportunity that I missed completely after this trade, I kind of walked away and took a break, and I missed this VWAP fade down here. Very obvious fade off of the VWAP here. Multiple rejections. The market started turning back down to the lows again, and this was really the trade you would want to be in right here, is this fade off the VWAP to the end of the day. The other stocks I was looking at, also you can also trade this break of the lows down here. Sold down, held, failed to push higher. This starts to break down. You can kind of get short here. It's a little bit off for me, not the best looking thing in the world, but I mean it works, you know. That this kind of thing happens every day too, and it even happened somewhat on like RHT today. That got huge gap up. Look at this gigantic gap up. You can kind of see it did something little similar, kind of pushed down, wasn't able to hold the highs, then held a little base here, and then that's when it started to break down. Once it closed below here, see this candle right here, kind of closed below this little support pivot in through here, and then you got that fade lower after you got these failed push, lower high here, and then you got you know, this little coiling here before it breaks down. NFLX also was a good trader today. Now this one, again, great VWAP play here. Totally missed this one. This came up to the VWAP, and obviously you got 3 rejections here. Rejected $304.77. That's the high of this candle. The high of this candle is $304.75. The high of this candle, $304.75 again. So 77, 75, 75. A little bit of a rejection on this candle here. Then you got the close lower. That's your short entry. You can see what happened with that. FDC was also in play today. Lower price stock, can go in pretty heavy with this one. It was trading pretty good volume, and you can see a breakdown here. I was thinking about getting short under 1920. See right there that. Actually, if you go on the 1 minute time frame, you can even see a little more clear. This holding that 1930s, fails, kind of retest again, and then you could actually get short in through here, but the real breakdown, if you want to get more confirmation, you can see it starts to break down here, holds, can't push up higher, you got another retest right here and it fails, then it really gets going. This is a lot of confirmation right here. Of course, you're looking for 20 cents really, so you're risking about 20 cents, so you definitely want to take some profit at kind of at 20 cents here. This is more of a scalp, so 1 to 1 is definitely okay in my opinion. And you can see it hold. Oh, I skipped over here. It held the 1890 pretty well. You can take off some of your position here as this holds, or all the position, and then just kind of add back into it if you want to capture the fade lower. But nevertheless, this breakdown right here was a really good trade as well. And I think that might be it for today. Alibaba was my stock for the day that I traded. Definitely a lot of other good opportunities out there. And I think that's all for today. And be back at it tomorrow. Thanks for listening. See you next time.